find the inverse of the matrix A. So for this, what I'm going to write is, I'm going to write augmented matrix type this given A, and we got a 3 by 3, so I'm going to write identity matrix here, and I'm going to convert by row reduction, by row transformation, row reduction somehow, A into I3, and this will be changed to something else, and that's gonna be our inverse matrix. Okay, so let me write A and I3 identity matrix side by side. So I wrote A and I3 identity matrix here, so I'm gonna change this matrix into I3. So I need 1 at this location. Here's 1, so we can swap row 1 and row 2. So I'm gonna interchange row 1 and row 2. That way I can get 1 here. Okay, so I swapped row 1 and row 2. At the same time I swapped row 2 and row 3. So row 3 is now row 2 and row 1 is row 3. So after this we are swapping R2 and R3. Okay, so we are good with 1 0 1. Next we want to make this 0, this 0 0 1 here, then 0 0 0. Okay, so let's make this 0, for we use this pivot. So we're gonna work on R3. So R3 plus 2 times R1, sorry, 2 times R1. So here is 1 plus 0 0 0 plus 2 2 0 plus 2 times 0 0. So we are here now. Oh, this is also 0, that's good. Now we want to make this 1, so we multiply R3 by 1/5. So I'm gonna go up here, so R3 such that we want to multiply by 1/5. Okay, so this becomes just 0 0 1 1/5 2/5. So this is 1/5 2/5, 0 is 0, and we're gonna keep writing all of them. Next we want to make this 0, then at the same time we can make this 0 as well, and finally we want to make this 0. Okay, so we're gonna work on R2. So we use this pivot, so that's R2 plus 5 plus -5, so -5 R3. At the same time we're gonna use this pivot 1 to make this 0, so R1 such that R1 plus, so we multiply R3 by -4. Okay, so we're gonna work on this. So we are not doing anything to R3 because it's already finalized. 0 0 1 1/5 2/5 0. Okay, here is 0, so we are multiplying by -5 and adding to this, so this is 1. So multiply -5 plus 5 0, multiply by -5, that makes -1 plus 0 -1, multiply by -5, that makes -2 plus 0 -2, multiply by -5, okay, that's just 0, and 1 is just 1. Here R1 we want to multiply this by -4 and add with R1, so 0 and 1 just 1, 0 2 just 2, multiply by -4 and add 4, that's 0, -4/5 plus 0, that's -4/5, negative 8/5 plus 1. Okay, negative 8/5 plus 1. 1 is positive 5/5. Negative 8/5 plus 5/5, so negative 3/5. And this is 0, 0, 0. Okay, so now the last thing here is we need to make this 0. For that we use this pivot. So work on R1 so that R1 plus multiply this by negative 2. Okay, that negative was not there. Okay, so we're gonna multiply by negative 2 and add with this. So R1 plus negative 2 R2. Okay, R1 R2 and R3 stay same. So this is 1 because negative 2 times 0 is just 0 plus 1 is 1. Oh, we are using R2, my bad, but 0, 1, this 1 anyways. Negative 2 plus 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. We are multiplying by negative 2. That makes positive 2. Okay, negative 4/5 plus 2. Okay, that's plus 2, which is 10/5, minus 4/5 is 6/5. So this is 6 over 5. Here is negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4. Positive 4 minus 3 over 5, that's 17 over 5. And here is negative 2 times 1. Negative 2 plus 0 is just negative 2. Okay, so we converted the given matrix in terms of I3. So this will be A inverse. Thus A inverse is this: 6 over 5, 17 over 5, negative 2, negative 1, negative 2, 1, and here is 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 0. Okay, and that's the final answer.